In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon PIXMA TR160 to your Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. First, make sure the printer is turned on. On the display over here, we need to go into the settings. So simply press the down arrow to select it and press OK. Then we need to select the first option, LAN settings. Press OK. Select the first option, which is Wi-Fi. Press OK. Go down and select Wi-Fi setup. Then we need to select manual connect. So press the down arrow and OK. It will search for all the different wireless networks that are currently around the printer. Here are all the networks. It's a list, so you can go down and up using these arrows. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network, simply move the printer closer to that Wi-Fi router. This is the network I want to connect. So once it's highlighted, I'll press OK, OK, OK. And now it will say enter password. Press next, so I'll press OK. And now there's a small keyboard that you can use using these arrows to type your password. If your password has numbers, you need to go on the lower left side, select this button over here, press OK, and it will switch to numbers and symbols. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Once the password is typed, you need to go all the way down and select the OK button and press OK. It will start connecting. At the end, you're going to get the confirmation message connected to the wireless router. Great. Press OK. And this is about it. You're now ready to open your smartphone or even your computer and start printing. Let me show you how this is done using an iPhone. Next, you're going to go on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you're having an iPhone or iPad, and you need to download the Canon Print app. Once it's downloaded, open it. Then you're going to have to agree to a few different things so that the app works. You can ask the app not to track you or allow it. Press allow. Search. It will now try to connect to your printer, so make sure that it's still on. Great. At this point, it will try to sell you a few different things. So you can press continue or press the X button. Select allow using the app or allow once. And now we have the Canon printer added to the app. If you tap on it, you can skip the survey. What I wanted to show you is that you can track your ink levels directly on your phone. Every time you want to print something, you're going to go in this app and you're going to have print photo or document print. For this video, I'll print a PDF file, but if you want to print one of the pictures that you have on your phone, well, you're going to select photo print. Then select where it is located. So I have selected this PDF file, and at this point, I will simply press next, no. Here are a few different settings. Make sure they are okay with you. If not, press on change settings. So you'll be able to change the number of copies, the page range, the paper size you have input in your printer, and also, for example, color mode in case you want to print in black and white. Let me go back. And before pressing the print button, simply make sure you have actually some paper inserted in the printer. Let me put my stack. And I'll press print. OK. And here we go. We got our print out in just a few seconds. On the app itself, you can press OK, print it again, exit, do whatever you want to do other than this. But most people will only use these two options. The other ones, I have tried them and they're not very useful. So this is it. This is how you can print using your phone and your Canon PIXMA TR160. Thanks for watching. If you want to get some replacement ink on Amazon for this specific printer. I'll put links down below, so check them out, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.